This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for May 20th, 2024. It's currently April 10th, 2024, 1:40 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, currently $512.48. That's USD. The shuffle video that's playing for you in the lower left corner was created on March 10th, 2024 at 7:39 p.m. Eastern Time. And so the overall theme and behavior for the 20th, we have a significant trade opportunity here and a big move to the upside, maybe out of oversold territory, maybe not. It's a big move to the upside. Behavior around the high is a pop and drop into the high and out of it. And behavior around the lowest low, we have a sideways fluctuating decline that precedes a notable rally. Pretty good opportunity when you see the Empress card to open up a long position. The high and the low are also within close time proximity to each other. And I'm advised to trade around multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance. We're going to get into where and when to make those trades, as well as the timing of the highest high and the lowest low for the day. But before we do that, I just want to make sure everybody's aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing, as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube Tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. Okay, so in the pre-market, there's a significant opportunity. This will stand out amongst other opportunities on like a multi-day scale. Significant opportunity. This is also a May low card of the 2024 reading. I think we probably open at a significant low, if not a lowest low in the pre-market anyways. And there's a lot of volatility right around the open. A lot of volatility right around the open, with a key resistance level highlighted that we declined from and then probably return back to. Maybe more than once, maybe like twice, because we've got it here at the open, and then out of a decline, there's a big move to the upside, or even in the face of seemingly overwhelming headwinds, there's a big move to the upside in the first half hour, taking us back to key resistance here between roughly 10 and 11, and we probably drop from that resistance and then turn around and rally and break through that resistance between the 11 and 12 o'clock hour. Pretty big move to the upside into 12 o'clock, where we should do some sideways rotation for a little bit at a high. There's an opportunity there. It might be that there's a high at 12, a low between 12 and 1, and then another high at 1. That's a possibility. But usually when you see the Princess of Discs, it's a cash out opportunity in there. So I would say bumping along resistance sideways, multiple failed attempts to break through resistance, opportunity there to possibly close out of a long, open up a short. It depends on if you're at the high or the low, obviously. And then it looks like sideways rotation at the low, big move higher back to the high around 1. Sideways rotation there, maybe into maybe as far as into 3 o'clock. It probably sideways rotation with a slight decline into 3 o'clock. And we have another low there between maybe 2:30 and the close, as well as another high. So there's a period of volatility in there that ends with a fast side move higher, taking us to a high there at the end of the day with sideways fluidity, equal amounts of bulls and bears, inflow and outflow in the post market. Looks like the VIX takes a pretty big nosedive today as well, or on the 20th, I should say. And the sneak preview for the following day of the 21st is a failed attempt to break through key resistance and a decline through key support. Yeah, so I would say that you could probably use this failed attempt to break through resistance multiple times. You could probably use that as like a good entry and exit point throughout the day. I'd probably avoid short trades though. I'd probably just buy into dips and close them at that bumping along resistance sideways kind of behavior there. And that's SPY for the 20th of May. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. All the angel investors, people that regularly follow through on the rule of karma, they get sent a invite to a Discord channel. It's a free Discord server just for angel investors. We're on there all the time, all week long, talking and whatnot. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure to follow through regularly on the rule of karma. We're counting on you. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.